Let's solve the equation x plus 2 into bracket and also x plus 3 into brackets equals 0. Solution. Now looking at this equation, this looks in the form ab equals 0. We can represent the whole of this expression inside this bracket, x plus 2 as our a, then x plus 3 as our b. And in cases like that, we say it is either a equals 0 or b equals 0, or they are both equal to 0. That is, it is either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0, or they are both equal to 0. Now let's solve. We have x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. So here that means either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Now here we'll solve them separately. So that is, for this side, we'll be having x equals minus 2. Here we'll be having x equals minus 3. So that means, therefore, our x, the value of our x here, for this expression, for this equation to be equal to 0, would be minus 2 or minus 3. And you can check when s equals to minus 2. Let's substitute s equals to minus 2 inside this part of the equation, the left hand side, to check if it's going to give us the right hand side. So from the left hand side, we'll be having minus 2 plus 2, then also into minus 2 plus 3. So here we'll be having minus 2 plus 2, that's 0. Then here minus 2 plus 3, we'll be having 1. So we have 0, then 1, which means 0 times 1, which gives us 0. Also, when x equals minus 3, let's substitute it inside. We'll have minus 3 plus 2 at this side, and at this side we'll have minus 3 plus 3. So here minus 3 plus 2, we'll be having minus 1, and here minus 3 plus 3, here we'll be having 0. And when you multiply them together, minus 1 multiplied by 0, that gives us 0, which is the right hand side. And that means the value we have is correct. Thank you.